Oh, mine's fine.
Wow. Now they're both shooting.
I'm coming, buddy.
Oh wait, he comes down the stairs. I'm healing. One more.
What's that guy doing?
There's some boost up here, bro. Oh, dude, you can put a hollow on this.
Yeah.
I think this might be like the deagle.
I want this business. There's no bullets.
Oh, a Glock? Yeah, Glock is fat. He's top floor.
Yeah, I heard him on like the east end, I think. I heard him close the door. Oh, he's on the balcony.
Oh, man.
Dude, what a little bitch, dude.
What a little bitch.
That's toxic.
That's actually fucking toxic, dude. Fuck this guy. That's actually like a bitch move.
Think about that. He could have just shotgunned you and you would have been dead.
I know. He literally could have fought me, but he just flushes instead. What a bitch.
What the fuck? What are they doing, dude?
I died.
Alright, here I go. This is my big chance to shoot someone. I'm gonna hit R right when he walks past. Like, what?
What'd you say, Josh?
If you win this game by yourself, I will shit my
You got it. Fat.
Wait for it. Oh!
Right here. No, so close. Did you ever even... You hit him at least once or twice.
Yeah. It's so hard, though. Ah, fuck it.
Yeah, just go all the way right and around.
Oh my god, are you serious? This guy's a pussy, dude.
Same guy you shot at.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Oh wow, look at that zone, dude. Holy shit, where do I go? Is this place?
You're actually trying to win.
Yeah, I'm gonna go here.
There.
Someone's driving you. Yeah, this is where you, yeah, push!
Through an open field?
Nades, bro! Come on.
Nah.
Open. You got a ridge to the right.
Oh shit, they're moving, they're moving.
Down on the... They saw the house, they thought it was better.
My house is the one he thought's better.
Nades, dude.
No, he's trying to scout, bro. He spotted you.
It's the same guy, Eva.
It's the same guy!
Fuck him up! Here he comes!
Bounce a nade off the telephone pole. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god!
I told you.
It's so many shots.
I warned you. I've done it again. I warned you, but did you listen to me? Oh, no, you knew it all, didn't you? Oh, it's just a harmless little bunny, isn't it?
Nah, I think... Oh, shit. I can blow them up. Oh, shit! This is horrible!
You're back in the house.
Shut up! Everyone calm down!
Go upstairs and hide. Yeah, hold the angle, That was a panic nade.
Keep smoking,
No, what the hell? Don't peek the stairs!
Hotbox this shit.
I don't know if I pulled the nade or not.
Oh, what if it landed in your room?
Oh fuck, it did!
No, they're nading you. You should be in the bathroom right now.
You got shot at.
No, I gotta push them.
One of them got down, Eva. One of them just went down.
How do you know?
Did you hear that? He's getting shot at. His body.
Outside. Alright.
I can't go outside, dude. Yeah.
Jump crouch. Fat. Yeah! Jump crouch again. Jump crouch again. Jump crouch again. Same spot. Easy.
Same spot. There you
No, no, yeah. Watch the door. Okay, never mind. Too late.
Get him.
What is happening, bro? Dude, you gotta leave. You gotta run. Unless you can find
The car is right there waiting for you.
I would run, dude. Drive off. Drive off.
I need ammo. I'm praying that they have ammo. Fuck.
Dude, you're gonna get pushed right now, Eva, and you do.
Oh, it's
Dude,
that.
run!
It's that.
Drive.
Oh, it hard shifted.
Go!
That's no gas.
For it, dude.
I know.
You're low on gas.
This is fat. Right here. Right here.
I gotta loot. I need more bullets.
Oh, you're gonna die.
I'm going in, baby.
Fuck yeah, that's how we play.
This is how we do it.
Fucking dies.
Oh shit! I meant to close the door. Oh, bullets!
Oh, the first thing you see.
Oh my god, I have so many grenades.
It worked somehow.
Do it. Give it to him. Do it.
You got it. Oh no, you don't have it anymore.
That's fucking impossible.
No, it's possible, but you ran out of lungs.
Yeah. It's so hard though. Wait. He's still alive. Where's my suppressor, dude? Like, how do I... Murphy's Law, dude. Should I go towards them?
Wait, what's Murphy's Law? Am I an idiot?
Wait, do you know what Murphy's Law is, or are you asking?
No, that's what I'm saying.
It's like...
Am I stupid?
It's like, whenever you... It's kind of like, I need
When
it,
you need
and
something,
I don't...
you don't have it, but when you don't need it, you have it.
Yeah, you should look it up, though, so you get, like, a real definition.
Okay.
And not, like, my shitty one.
Fuck. That guy was there the entire time?
Oh, I thought a bullet was gonna hit you right through.
Yeah.
That guy just got
That'd be so
fucked.
sad.
Imagine
Did you
being
execute
him. Yeah. Fucking, he deserved it. I'm executing everyone. If you're dying to a fucking Glock, dude, you deserve to be fucking executed.
That's a fact.
Circle's right on you.
Oh, fuck, I pulled out my pen.
Underhand it on the shack. Never mind. He's on the shack.
Nah, he's right over there.
Literally right behind. Playing for the dub. 1 minute.
Should I nade behind the shack?
No, just hold this angle.
No, because if
My-
he damages you and he pushes you, you're dead.
My hands are getting tired. Hey! Hey, motherfucker!
It's a second one. Peek him.
Oh.
In the window. Oh my, you would have had a free kill.
It's not free. Nothing's free when you're...
He's pushing you! Just hold the angle, you idiot. Sorry, I don't mean to be toxic.
Not pushing, dude. Kill the guy in the second floor window. He's literally running out in the middle of the field right now.
Dude, I have to win this.
Man, they're mad, dude.
Does this pan still block bullets, bro? On the wall there?
It did.
Yeah, my guy's stuck in the fucking door. Are you using him as cover right now?
No, he's on the ground. Look at my stream.
It's on the ground.
For me, it's not.
Oh, Eva, you got this, dude.
Two.
Yeah.
There's the
one's
one guy to your
just-
northwest.
Yeah. It's a 1v3.
I think so. Oh, you think so?
Oh, he's fighting those guys.
Oh, he's not.
Oh, he's trying to nade.
Oh, shit.
Oh, 1v1.
Motherfucker!